Hey everybody, if you're moving to the Philadelphia area or you're looking to get a new place to rent or to lease in the general area of Philadelphia, really anywhere this would work, you got to check this video out. All right, so the best practice is to have yourself as a package together. Now, what I mean by that is you might be filling out applications, endless applications, because it's a very competitive market, especially in certain areas and certain price points. And application fees run anywhere from like $30, $40, $50, all the way up to $100 per person. So the best bet is to run an application and then get a copy of that so you can present yourself to the next possible landlord or the next agent involved. Now, I'm not saying with 100% certainty this is going to work, but it's going to be very helpful because very, very few people do this. So fill out an application and pay for it, but then ask for a copy of it, or ask them, hey, when I fill this out, am I going to get a copy of it? All the applications are very, very similar. They want to see your eviction history. They want to see your credit history. They want to see your background, criminal background. Have you been evicted? Can you pay? And have you, are you a criminal in certain senses? So if you have this information, you then can show it to the next agent or the next landlord. They may still want you to run through their system, which is probably going to happen, but you're not going to be applying to 10 places at $50 a piece, $500. You might be able to buy it once, send it out a bunch of times, and then get someone to accept you based on that information that you already have. Now, there's a way to get everything for free as well. Your free credit report, your free eviction history, credit reports come from the credit bureaus for free. Every year, you're allowed to have one. No questions asked. You could ask me the question, but you're allowed to get it. Criminal history is easy to get online. You go to the court dockets and you search by your name. Nothing will come up. There you have that. Proof of income, that's pretty easy too, right? You get a pay stub. Now that's kind of basic information. This will work 100% of the time because not a lot of people do this. So that's why I'm so certain it'll work. Let's say 99%. Now, if you have pets, another great thing to do is address it from the jump. Have your vet write up a letter that your cute little cat or your wonderful dog is up on their shots, is behaviorally good, just something short and sweet that your vet can sign. Now, if you don't have vet care, well, I guess we'll bypass that one, but address the fact that you have a pet. Maybe provide pictures, maybe provide a letter of reference from your current landlord or a friend or family or somebody that can reference the animal as well. This will also cut down on time about what kind of a pet is it, how you have this and that, the other. Now, if you found this video useful, consider hitting that subscribe button, smash the like button, give us a comment, but maybe you know another trick that can help a lot of us out when we're renting. Why don't you comment that down below? If you need anything at all real estate related, I'm Gregory Martire, your local real estate expert here in the Philadelphia area, in the city, out of the city. We got you covered in the suburbs too. Have a great day.